Thanks for choosing the Dutch Complete. This is our flagship test for both men and women using an easy at-home urine collection that delivers a comprehensive look at your hormones and how your body metabolizes them. These results give your provider the insight to understand your hormones and recommend care tailored specifically to you. In this video, you'll see what's inside your kit and how to follow instructions to collect, dry, store, and return your urine samples to the lab for processing. Let's get started. When you receive your kit at your home or from your provider, you'll find one instruction page, 5 urine collection strips, a resealable bag for dried samples, your test requisition form, and a prepaid return mailer. Before you begin, read the instructions carefully and complete your requisition form. If you're a cycling female or taking certain supplements or hormones, check the instructions page for guidance on when to start collection. This test is collected over the course of 24 hours. During the collection period, it's important to avoid all alcohol, limit caffeine intake to no more than a standard 8-ounce cup of coffee, and keep your total fluid intake under 40 ounces. Do not drink any liquid in the 2 hours before each collection. There are a few things that might impact your test results. Avoid banana, fava beans, and creatine the day of the test. Supplements or medications like glucocorticoids, tyrosine, L-DOPA, D-L-phenylalanine, Mucuna, or quercetin may also impact results. But we don't want you to discontinue anything essential, so please check with your provider if you should skip them or not for the purposes of this test. It's important to ensure proper dosing is observed, as these supplements may impact some of the neurotransmitter metabolites we measure. Some of you may be on hormone therapy, and while the Dutch test is intended to test your levels while on these therapies, there are still some types that should be paused for better results. If you are taking oral or sublingual DHEA, estrogen, or pregnenolone, we ask that you skip the doses for 72 hours prior to testing. However, we are not requesting you to skip any birth control unless your provider advises you to do so. Please be sure to consult your healthcare provider directly. If you use hormone gels or creams daily, continue as usual. For patches, pellets, or injections taken less often, aim to collect halfway between doses. For example, if you change an estrogen patch weekly on Mondays, begin collection Thursday. Many women also take oral progesterone. This is the one oral hormone to continue as normal, typically at bedtime. Unless required upon waking, delay morning medications and supplements until after the last 2 morning samples. You can take these once the final collection is complete. If anything isn't clear after reading these instructions, please call our lab or reach out to your provider before you begin collection. You can also review our hormone therapy instructions support page for additional information. Prior to collection, make sure to fill out your requisition form. We will not be able to process your samples without this information, so please be sure to fill this out completely before you continue. Begin with your personal information on the front: name, date of birth, and personal details. Then provide any hormone, supplement, and prescription information. If necessary, feel free to provide additional information in the text boxes on the back side of the requisition form before proceeding to the next step. Now let's talk about when to collect. If you are postmenopausal, no longer cycling, or male, you can collect any day. If you have a 28-day cycle, collect between days 19 to 22. That's about 6 to 9 days before your period. If your cycle is a little shorter or longer, adjust so you're still collecting 6 to 9 days before it ends. If your cycle length varies from month to month, please consider using our cycle collection calculator, available at dutchtest.com/cycle calculator. You'll collect 4 or 5 urine samples using our universal urine collection strip. Start by filling out your personal information. When ready to collect, be sure to check the box for which sample you're collecting and enter the time of day. It's best to fill out as much of this as possible before you begin collection. If you do not provide all the information on each filter paper, we may not be able to process your samples, so please ensure you filled out every line. The first sample, titled Dinner, is collected just before your normal dinner time. This is typically around 5 p.m. or 10 to 14 hours after waking. The next sample, titled Bedtime, is collected just before you go to bed, between 10 p.m. and midnight. The next, titled Overnight or Mid-Sleep, is optional and only collected if you wake during the night to urinate. There is no need to repeat collection if you urinate more than once during the night. The next sample, titled Waking, is collected the next morning within 10 minutes of getting up. Please don't lie in bed awake. Rise and collect promptly. The next sample, titled Plus 2 Hours, is collected exactly 2 hours after your waking sample. It's best to set an alarm for 2 hours following the waking sample. Now it's time to collect. Open the collection strip. The filter paper on the inside flap is the part you'll saturate with urine. Collect your sample by urinating directly on the filter paper for 2 to 3 seconds, or dip it into a clean cup for 2 to 3 seconds. Either way, be sure the paper is fully saturated. Once you've verified your paper is fully saturated, lay it flat on a clean surface to dry for at least 24 hours. Samples must be completely dry before shipping. If you can't ship within 48 hours, fold and place your dried samples in their plastic bag and store them in the freezer. After completing all your collections, double-check all samples are properly labeled on the filter papers and the requisition form. Before packaging your urine strips for return, confirm they are completely dry. Then fold and place them in the resealable bag and seal it. Place the sealed bag of samples and your completed requisition form into the return mailer. Ensure the mailer is securely closed, then drop the package off at the appropriate carrier. Remember, if you can't return samples within 48 hours, ensure they are dry and freeze them until you're ready to ship. If you have any questions, visit dutchtest.com/instructions or contact us at info@dutchtest.com or 503-687-2050. Thank you for choosing to test with Dutch. We're proud to be part of your health journey, and we look forward to helping you and your provider get answers that make a real difference. If Dutch has impacted your life, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for being part of our mission to profoundly change one life, then a million more.